Palash, your science teacher. My dear students, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. All educational institutions are closed because of novel coronavirus. So we will continue our lectures on the online system. Already we have finished chapter 7. Now we are talking about the chapter 8. We have finished read out page 53-54. Today we will discuss about the page 55. Everybody listen to me. A strong wind is called a gale. A light wind is called a breeze. The wind blows in different directions and at different speeds. Here, my dear students, look at the book. There are some pictures. First picture, smoke goes straight up. There is no wind. It is clean. Second picture, smoke blows to one side. There is light breeze. Next, third picture, a wind vane move. Wind speed is breeze. Next picture 4, leaves move all the time. Wind speed is quite fast. Picture 5, whole trees move. There is a gale. And finally, trees are uprooted. There is a storm or hurricane. My dear students, from this chapter, from these pictures, we came to know that when smoke goes straight up, there is no wind. It's clean. But when smoke blows up one side to another side, there is light breeze. Light breeze means there is a wind slowly. And when wind vane moves, wind speed is breeze. And when leaves moves all the time, wind speed is quite fast. But when whole trees move, there is a gale. Gale means storm. But when the trees uprooted, there is a storm or hurricane. Now the air around us the wet. Both the balloons balanced on this stick have air in them. What will happen if you burst on one balloon? Try the experiment and see for yourself. Air and other gases can be